Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that'll leave you feeling like you just chugged a gallon of positivity juice. Get ready to unlock the power of positive affirmations. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and, make my day. Have you ever wondered if talking to yourself could make you a happier person? Well, guess what? It can. But before I spill the affirmational beans, let me show you how I start my day. So folks, every morning I look in the mirror and say, I am a fabulous unicorn in a world of donkeys. Trust me, it sets the tone for the day. But that's not all. Join me in this hilarious meme montage of morning affirmations. Ever wondered why affirmations work? Let me drop some science on you. Our brains love repetition, so when we say positive things about ourselves, we believe them. It's like Jedi mind tricks for happiness. But wait, there's a twist. Did you know there's a dark side to affirmations? Stick around for that juicy tidbit. Affirmations can backfire if you're not careful. Find out how and see some epic fails. Now let's get practical. We're diving into affirmations for daily life. From crushing that job interview to finding your lost keys, we've got affirmations for everything. Special treat alert. We've got a guest who's a pro at affirmations. Let's welcome affirmation guru, Dr. Positivity. It's time for a challenge, folks. We challenge you to share your funniest affirmations in the comments below. The winner gets a virtual high five and a shout out in our next video. But before we say goodbye, it's blooper time. You won't believe the hilarious outtakes from today's shoot. Brace yourselves for some uncontrollable laughter. It's time to inspire with real success stories. Listen to how positive affirmations transformed ordinary lives into extraordinary ones. You won't believe the magic until you hear it. Wait, I've saved the best for last. Want to know the secret affirmation that changed my life? Stick around, it's coming up next. Here it is, folks, my secret sauce for positivity. You won't believe how simple yet effective it is. Drumroll, please. It's challenge time again. I challenge you to try my life-changing affirmation for 1 week and share your experiences in the comments. Get ready to join the positivity train. As we wrap up today's video, remember that positive affirmations are your ticket to a happier, more confident you. So embrace them, laugh with them, and make them a part of your daily life. Now let's get specific. Whether you want to conquer your fears, find love, or ace that exam, we've got affirmations tailored to your goals. Say goodbye to doubts and hello to success. You didn't see this coming. We're wrapping things up with a bang. The affirmation wrap. Get ready to groove and laugh your way to positivity. Hold on tight, folks, because we're about to reveal the most surprising fact about positive affirmations. You won't believe it. Brace yourselves. Positive affirmations can literally rewire your brain. We'll explain how and why it's so astonishing. The results are in. We asked you to try our life-changing affirmation, and the responses were mind-blowing. Get ready to hear how it impacted our viewers. Before we say goodbye, I want you to remember that positivity is a choice. Embrace affirmations, surround yourself with laughter, and watch your life transform. You've got this. Let's ensure every day is a good day. We've got affirmations that will put a smile on your face, guaranteed. Get ready to start your mornings with a laugh. Drum roll, please. It's time to announce the winners of our affirmation challenge. These champs cracked us up and inspired us. Let's give them a virtual standing ovation. Hold on to your positivity hats because we're about to unveil the hidden benefits of affirmations that nobody talks about. Positive affirmations are like the gift that keeps on giving. Discover the surprising benefits that go beyond boosting your mood. It's time for the grand finale, folks. We're throwing an affirmation dance party. Grab your dancing shoes and get ready to groove your way to happiness. Life can get stressful, right? But fear not. We've got affirmations that will make stress run for the hills. Get ready to feel zen in no time. Let's add some color to our affirmations. Check out this incredible art showcase inspired by positive affirmations. Art can be funny too, you know. Hold on tight because we're about to reveal a top secret affirmation technique that will blow your mind. Get ready to take your affirmations to the next level with this exclusive technique. It's like the ninja move of positivity. It's time to spread positivity to the world. Join us for the first ever affirmation flash mob in the middle of the city. Watch the reactions and get ready to laugh. Before we wrap up this epic journey, let's revisit some of the funniest and most heartwarming affirmations we've seen today. Prepare for laughter and inspiration. It's time for some hilarious bloopers and a sneak peek behind the scenes. You won't believe what happens when the cameras aren't rolling, the moment you've all been waiting for, the results of our affirmation challenge. We've got winners, and they're about to receive some fabulous prizes. Drum roll, please. But wait, there's one more incredible revelation about affirmations that we've saved for the end. You won't want to miss this. Get ready to be mind blown. We're unveiling the ultimate affirmation secret that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. It's time for the grandest finale of them all, the affirmation dance party. We're taking this party to a whole new level of fun and positivity. Certainly, here's the additional part of the YouTube script on the power of positive affirmations with a funny and chatty tone. We asked you to send in your burning questions about affirmations, and you delivered. Get ready for an exciting Q&A session where we tackle all your affirmation-related queries. Did you know affirmations have made their way into pop culture? We're taking a fun journey through movies, TV shows, and music that have embraced the power of positive words. Hold on to your positivity hats, because the biggest affirmation revelation is about to drop in our next segment. Get ready to witness an incredible real-life affirmation miracle that will give you goosebumps. It's a story you won't believe until you hear it. We're wrapping things up with a bang by sharing some fun affirmation challenges you can try at home. Get ready for some laughter and self-improvement. We've had an incredible journey together, and we want to celebrate by sharing some of the most touching, funny, and heartwarming viewer-submitted affirmations. Let's aim for something big. We're wrapping up with a special affirmation for world peace. Join us as we send out positive vibes to make the world a better place. Before we say goodbye, let's take a quick recap journey through all the affirmations we've explored today. Get ready to laugh and feel inspired all over again. Hold on tight because we've got one last surprise for you. You won't believe what we have in store. Get ready for the grand finale, the ultimate affirmation challenge. We're pulling out all the stops for this one. Can you handle it? As we wrap up this incredible journey into the world of positive affirmations, we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being a part of it. Remember, you have the power to change your life and spread positivity wherever you go. And that's a wrap, my amazing viewers. Thank you for joining us on this epic adventure. If you've enjoyed this video and all the laughter, inspiration, and positivity we've shared, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing content, and share it with your friends and family. Together we can make the world a happier place, one affirmation at a time. Until we meet again, keep smiling, keep believing, and keep affirming.